Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've talked about how to use your RubyLux near infrared bulb. So if you've got a near infrared bulb, you're probably wondering how long to use it, how far away it should be. You probably have a lot of questions. So here is your shortcut, your short guide to how to use your RubyLux near infrared bulb. Before you start, do a patch test. Shine the light on an area for about 5 minutes, make it an inconspicuous area, and then wait 24 hours and check to make sure that you don't have any negative reaction. It's very rare, but sometimes people do, and it's better to be safe than sorry. This is when you should not use your bulb. You should not use it right after you put on products that'll make your skin sensitive to light. Some of the most common products are retinol, vitamin C. Those will make your skin sensitive to light. So it's better to use your red light therapy or your near infrared light therapy, use it first, and then put your products on. And you should always use eye protection if your eyes are going to be exposed to the light. Okay, so here's your setup. Here's what you need. You need the RubyLux near infrared bulb. You need a heat rated clamp lamp that's rated to at least 250 watts. You need a stable place to mount your lamp, and you need a timer. When you clamp your lamp onto something, make sure it's a very stable object so that it won't move, and adjust it where you want it to shine before you turn it on. Let's talk about distance, because it is important and it confuses a lot of people. First, when you first start using the bulb, start a few feet away, and then you should gradually move closer, as long as it's not causing you any pain or any negative side effect. So your goal is to get as close as you can without feeling any pain. You shouldn't have any kind of burn or negative feeling at all. If you do have any kind of negative feelings, even if it's a headache or something like that, you should stop using the bulb right away and just unplug it, give up for that day. If you think that the light feels too intense or it's hurting you, then you're probably too close. If you're not comfortable, you're probably too close. You may find that you need to move around a little bit. A typical session time is about 5 to 25 minutes per area. You can do multiple sessions a day. You just space them out a few hours. Consistency matters. So doing your sessions regularly is a better idea than doing just one session and making it long to make up for the sessions that you missed. Use your bulb regularly. Here's what it should feel like. It should feel like a gentle, penetrating heat. It should not feel sharp. It should not feel painful. It should not feel overwhelming. If you feel discomfort, it's important that you just stop right away. Here are the most common mistakes, things that you should keep in mind. Don't stay too far away. If you're on the other side of the room, you're probably not going to get much effect. You should be able to feel the warmth. Inconsistent use. Once a week is not going to do as much as if you use it every day or every other day. Blocking the light. Clothes, sunscreen, or certain products can reduce the effectiveness because it'll make the light not be able to get through the skin. Or thinking more is better. That's another mistake that people make. More is not better. You're looking for the Goldilocks dose, just the right amount. And more heat isn't better. Comfort is key. Here's a simple routine. If you want to keep it simple, just pick 1 or 2 areas and do 10 to 15 minutes each. Do it about once a day or every other day, and that's all you need. You're going to see results pretty quickly. If you want the exact bulb that I use, I've linked it below. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read them and I'd love to answer your questions. Subscribe if you want more simple, quick, and easy guides like this.